I ask a personal question if you don't mind?
Okay, okay, go ahead.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. Actually, I'm just 21.
21. But what's your opinion? Which age you should marry?
Yeah, I don't have plan about that thing. You know, I just want to work hard.
You never fall in love with someone. You never.
No, I ever fall in love with someone, but I don't have been in a relationship. You know. Okay, tell the same question.
Same question. What do you think? I have girlfriend or not?
Maybe you have your crush.
Already I married.
Ooh.
Yes.
So if you don't mind, can I ask you how old are you?
It's also you can guess.
22? 22.
No, it's a higher. I'm not 22.
25? 25?
No, 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 no.
26? 28? X. What? But you look like 18?
I'm look like
18?
18. No,
Yeah,
dear,
19?
no, no, no,
20?
no.
20?
But
20?
do you know so many people asking me what's your age? I all time ask them, can you guess? Everyone asks 18, 19, someone told me 25, but my exact age is 30.
You look so young, by the way.
Thank you. So many people are not believe me. I am 30 years old. So many people. What is the reason?
Okay.
Can you tell me?
No, you look 18. You look so young. Maybe about your eyes, your character. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And your personality. You don't stop. You don't stop. And about your like you want to you want to develop yourself, your potential, and you don't stop, and you don't let your age stop you what you want to know, what you want to learn.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, that just make you look 18. Like you have fire inside. I just wanna know. I just wanna do it like this.
Yeah, thank you. And
This is why.
I think one thing in reason because I never smoke and drink. I don't like. I
Okay,
never.
okay,
And I don't like
great
also.
job.
I'm not a
Mm-hmm.
smoker and not drinker.
Yes, because it's not useful for us and it's not necessary.
Yeah. My mind always say if it's harmful for our body, why I take it? And also
Mm,
you need to money to buy. First
mm.
of all, you damage your body and also money. So why I drink or smoke? It's my opinion. So I never ever I don't like it.
So do you know in my country they like to drink alcohol, like to drink beer like a water.
Really?
Yeah, yes, yes. You can search. You can search. Yes. Oh my God. So yeah, it's not about men. About it's also about women.
Woman, okay. You
But
ever
but I don't like
try?
no. No, I have ever tried, but I don't like it because bit it's bit.
Okay, that's
But I
great.
have ever tried.
But your real age is 22?
Yes, I will be 22 on March.
But you look like
Okay,
also
maybe.
18 or 19, not 22.
Oh no, no, because no,
No,
I don't think so.
no, no, it's really, you don't look like 22. You also, I mean
Okay, thank
18.
you.